हेलो व्यूअर्स, तो हम पहुंच चुके हैं अपने रिजॉर्ट पे, कह लें या हट्स पे। तो इधर कुछ इस तरह के हट्स बने हुए हैं और हर हट में एक फैमिली या दो फैमिलीज रह रही हैं और प्राइवेटली इन्होंने इसको आउट सबलेट किया हुआ है कि आप जो है यहाँ पर रहें। और ये साथ इन्होंने किचन बनाया हुआ है, आप इधर ही कुकिंग वो आपको करके देते हैं। तो एक कह लें एक घर की फील आती है कि जिस तरह आप एक लोकल के साथ
मर्जी से आप ऑर्डर दे सकते हैं। और आई एम वेरी हैप्पी एंड एक्साइटेड कि आप जो है ना वो आइलैंड में टाइम स्पेंड करें। होता है ना, ड्रीम होता है इंसान का कि आप जो है ना टाइम स्पेंड करें।
क्योंकि ऐसे आइलैंड आपने मूवीज़ में देखे होंगे, बीच मूवी भी आपने देखी होगी और इस तरह की आइलैंड मूवीज़ एडम सैंडलर बहुत सारी ऐसी मूवीज़ करते हैं, तो वो वही वाला एम्बियंस है।
और उसमें इसमें सनराइज और सनसेट जो है ना वो बहुत मज़े का व्यू होगा।
Hello friends, this is a special vlog for Wild Pasir Pinjang, Pulau Tuba, Langkawi, Malaysia. And what's so special about this place? It is sort of private huts, about 8 to 10 private huts where 8 to 10 families are living, and it is available on booking.com. I don't know about Agoda. The food here is about 35 to 45 ringgit per meal per person, and drinks are also served, liquor is also served here, but there is no other shop. It's an exclusively like private experience. You have to bring your toothpaste, you have to bring your cigarettes, you have to bring your any other stuff, because there is no shop to buy anything. Just food will be served here. You can do swimming, but the water is not very clear. It's like slightly muddy. What is so special about this place? If you are looking for a like a budget place where you don't have a lot of money, but you want to enjoy like a stay in a private resort or a water villa or a on isolated place, you can come here. Prices are very cheap, and you get to have a private experience because this is a lady who rents this place. She basically cooks here for the 8, you can say, huts that are present here. You can do kayaking over there, and you can also take a hike to the mountains back there. We are staying in this hut. This one is not a very good hut, but there are some huts that are much better like this one, or which I will show you later. Maybe there you can see some better huts are also there, and and amenities are like not very good but normal, but you get to have white sand, you can swim, and you can have a private beach. Question is how to get here. You either take a flight from Kuala Lumpur to Langkawi, or you take a bus from KLCC, KL Central to the northern point, jetty point, and from there you can also take a ferry to Quah beach. If you are coming by flight, you will land in Langkawi. From there you will take a cab and it will take you to Quah jetty, Marble Beach jetty to be precise. From Marble Beach you can take a private boat of 80 ringgit, 90 ringgit, maybe 70 ringgit to here. And then from or you can take a shared boat from the jetty that you can see here. That shared boat rent is 10 to 20 ringgit, and it can also drop you here. And Langkawi main island there is main island, and then there are small islands. So Pulau Tuba is a bigger island of Langkawi, so that's why you can't come by road over here. And on Pulau Tuba, this secluded beach, Wild Pasir Pinjang, it is located, owned by the Malaysian government. We are thankful for Malaysian government for like hosting us and providing us such good facilities. Do come here, guys.
Oh,
Come on.